Hello everyone, welcome to Gmail tutorials. In this video we are going to see how can we unsend a message or an email once it has been sent through our Gmail account. The process is pretty simple, so let's just dive right into it. The first step is you need to compose a message, so let's just click on compose. This actually we can do with reply emails as well or the forwarded emails as well. So basically any message that you are sending through Gmail, you can unsend it, but I'm showing with a new message. Okay, so let's just add some random email address at gmail.com. The reason I'm adding a random email address is because most of the times these emails address don't exist, so I don't want to spam anyone with a text like that or with a email like that. So this email won't be sent and I would get that okay, there was an error, this email address doesn't exist, right? So let's just add the text in the subject as sample. In the email body also, let's just add sample. My signature is already there. Click on send. Once you do that, here is a message sent and undo option. If you just click on undo, then the sending of the message will be undone. So this is how you undo sending any of the messages. I recognize that okay, I don't want to send that email. So what I do, I simply just click on delete and that email has not been sent at all. If I just click on this send, you will see that there is no sent email right now. Okay, so that email message has been unsent. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.